rip it. Come on. Tear. Tear. Tear, tear, tear. Tear. Keep going.
Unless you keep it neat.
Rip it off.
What is that?
Turn it over.
Hold on.
Green or red.
Whoa! Oh, goodness. Oh, he's gonna love that.
What is this? Is this a diesel truck?
What is that?
All these cars. Open.
Oh my goodness.
You have one more
He
present.
wants to
You
play.
have some more presents. Hold on, and then we can play with them. One more. One more present. Look at all your presents. Yeah, it's a carrying case.
That's
for all
nice.
Cars.
Oh,
look.
that's come in handy.
Is that
Is that
big
yours?
present?
Wow, that is huge. Pick it up.
I'm gonna try.
Oh, he's trying.
Okay,
Pick
here,
it up.
I'll help you. Let's bring it over here. All right, let's start ripping. Right here. Rip it.
I haven't seen this.
Rip it.
It's a man Michael. And we wrapped it.
Take it off.
What you got?
You gotta pull down. Here, watch this. See this right here? Pull it down.
What did Pop?
What is this?
Oh, goodness.
Oh, Grand Canyon Express.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Oh, look. Look. Pull off the front.
There you go.
Oh my gosh.
Is this a choo-choo train?
A caboose.
That's yours.
No. Is that a choo-choo train? Yeah.
Oh,
the
that is
engine.
beautiful.
Eliza,
Yes.
let me see. Look at me.
Stand. Look at Grandma.
Look at me.
Hey, look at Nana. Look
Let
at
me
Nana.
say
Smile.
choo-choo
Say, look
train.
at me, Nana.
Here, stand up behind it. Elijah.
Steam engine.
What'd she take off with?
Elijah.
Elijah, stand up.
Stand up behind there and show me.
Stand up.
Letter.
Here.
Elijah,
Hey, look
stand
at-
up.
look at
Look
Nana.
at me.
Look
Let me
at her.
see. Say,
Look,
look
say-
at my train.
Say, look at my train.
Look at me. Look at my. Looky.
Hey, show.
Eliza, look at me.